So hi, hello and welcome again. I'm Oliver, Microbehunter here. Yeah, Merry Christmas. It's Christmas time. Usually during Christmas time I always put the leaves of a fir tree under the microscope as of a Christmas tree. But today I want to find out if it's possible to actually make so-called leaf impressions. And what does this mean is over here you see one of those leaves, and on the bottom side here I applied a little bit of clear nail polish here. Maybe you can actually see that it's kind of quite shiny and smooth. So that's clear nail polish. And over here, I've done the same thing, but did not use nail polish, but rather glue. And I want to now try to take off the nail polish and the glue and put it under the microscope, because this way we're able to hopefully be able to see the surface texture of the leaves. So yeah, and I've done this already also with other leaves, but not with those leaves of a fir tree. So we actually, yeah, I don't know if it's going to be very successful or not. I will be using my tweezers, and I will try to carefully peel off the nail polish here, and then yeah, we're going to put it under the microscope. So this might take a little bit of patience here. Unfortunately, the leaf is already a little bit dry, but you can see, look, it does come off. Yeah, luckily. Okay, I have to be careful that I don't damage it too much. Luckily, it comes off fairly easily, and of course, with this side towards the top, let's put it over here. Let's put everything else away here. Let's put it under on the microscope slide. Yeah, it's still. Here we go. Yeah. Okay, and yeah, I turned off the lamp now. Okay, and let's try the same thing over here now with with the glue. Maybe it's easier if I just keep it pressed on the surface here. And again, let's see if this goes off or not. I don't know. As always, you need a little bit of patience. If it doesn't work, then we've also learned something. So yeah, it's kind of brittle, but it does work. Look. Ah, yeah, see, it does tear quite easily, and but I think that's going to be enough in any case. So here on the left side, the nail polish. Here on the right side, the glue. No cover glass. I'm also not going to put any mounting medium on here. I'm just going to make a so-called a dry mount, and it goes directly under the microscope. So let's have a look. So this is now the piece of nail polish using my 4x objective. And it's in bright field, so no fancy contrasting techniques here. And let's now have a look over here. No, that's the wrong direction over here. This is the one now with the water-based glue. It does not look quite as nice. So you can also see that it's kind of ripped a little bit as well. Yeah, so overall, I think the nail polish does seem to be significantly better in that respect. And yeah, let's have a closer look, and then maybe we're able to identify a few structures here. So let's zoom up, or rather I should have said not zoom up, but you say zoom in. Here we go. Okay. Yeah, so that's actually quite nice, I think. What I think is that those round things that you see, these might actually be the stomates, which are the openings in the leaf. Just going to show you over here. Yeah. So you can actually quite see that there are quite, typical impressions left inside the nail polish. You can see over here, you do not see those structures. So this is now the 10 times. This here is now using my 20 times objective. Over here it's a little bit blurry because it's not quite in the area of focus. It's quite fascinating here to see that. So as you can see, the leaf impressions do seem to work. I think maybe not quite as nice as some other leaves that I have already made leaf impressions before, but at least it works. So I'm also going to try now to switch on my polarizing setup. Yeah, and this is now using a DIC contrasting techniques. I think those round large things, these might actually be bubbles. But I am a little bit happy that indeed I was able to see some surface textures here. But again, as we've seen, nail polish seems to work significantly better than the glue. Yeah, I think I'm going to pretty much leave it at that. I just wanted to show this to you to kind of inspire you a little bit to try it out as well. But from my side, that's all I would like to share with you today. Hope that you found this video in any case interesting. And yeah, do try it out with other leaves as well, not just the leaves of a fir tree. Other leaves look quite different. Okay, all the best. Happy microbe hunting as always. Hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye.